All right, how's it going, everyone? It's the day before Christmas Eve, and I just picked up this S4 2 days ago. It's a 1993 S4 AEM motor. I'm sure you guys know if you're watching this, but it had a blown head gasket, and the previous owner, he took the head off, and then the car sat for over a year. So I was able to drive out there, pick it up, give me a good deal on it, but it does need a little bit of work. The body's pretty straight, no rust, just a lot of, the clear coat has failed. So I'm gonna get it all repainted. It has a lot of mods on it. It's a GT3071R car that's tuned by Jason at AMD. Put down supposedly 360 horsepower at the wheels. So a lot of receipts. It was a pretty well maintained car mechanically, and there's no oil leaks. So I'm pretty excited for the build. That's kind of how I already took off the front end, put it in service position. But yeah, it's almost pretty much how I got it. Cleaned up a little bit of it, sad there was some rat droppings here and there, but not too bad of a shape. Like I said, it's a pretty much GT3071R, 7/8 cams. Quite a bit of mods. Had the Stoptech big brake kit, 6-speed 01E transmission swapped. It was rebuilt by Scotty, Advanced Automotion. Here's the interior. Pretty decent shape for the age and the fact that it sat for quite a while. Seats shown somewhere, but not too bad. Windshield's cracked. Overall, I'm happy with the car. It's my first 5-cylinder Audi. Always wanted one, just never kind of came across the deal. It wasn't the right time, but this came up and jumped on it. Had an Apikol intercooler. A bunch of goodies. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm not too sure what my plans are. I am pulling the motor out. I'm gonna pull out the block as well. It has 222,000 miles on it, so I'm gonna freshen up the bottom end. Probably gonna end up doing rods, maybe pistons, but at least rods, and see where it goes, I guess. But overall, pretty excited. Oh yeah, I wanted tornado red as well, so it kind of came up and pulled the trigger. We'll see where this goes. All right, time to pull out the short block out of there. Stay tuned for more.